When I say begin, start reading aloud at the top of the page. Read across the page. Try to read each word. If you come to a word you don't know, I'll tell it to you. Be sure to do your best read. Are there any questions? Begin.
Andy was one of the many ants who worked daily in the ant hill. Every day, Andy and the other ants would wake up and go off to work. Andy's job was to carry pieces of sand up the side of the anthill to build it higher. Andy thought his job was really boring. Who would find carrying pieces of sand
interesting?
And Andy did day after day was snack pieces, tiny pieces of sand on top of other pieces of sand. When was the chance? Where was the chance in that? All Andy really wanted was...
Stop.